Today we're diving into the GTO Pro Wireless Intercom Keypad F3100MBC, a robust entry in the realm of wireless access control systems. Designed for seamless integration with GTO Pro gate operators, this keypad promises convenience and security without the hassle of wiring. The sleek, weather-resistant design ensures durability in various outdoor conditions, making it ideal for both residential and commercial settings. Setup is straightforward, thanks to its wireless connectivity, eliminating the need for complex installations. Users can program up to 1,000 entry codes, accommodating a large number of users or frequent changes in access permissions effortlessly. The illuminated keypad enhances usability during nighttime operation, enhancing security without compromising convenience. In terms of security features, the F3100MBC excels with its anti-tamper design and encrypted signals, thwarting unauthorized access attempts effectively. The system operates on a dependable frequency range, ensuring consistent performance even in crowded wireless environments. Battery life is commendable, offering long-term reliability with minimal maintenance requirements. User feedback has been largely positive, highlighting its intuitive interface and reliable functionality over extended periods. However, some users have noted occasional connectivity issues in areas with significant wireless interference, although these instances appear to be rare. Overall, the GTO Pro Wireless Intercom Keypad F3100MBC stands out as a dependable choice for those seeking a wireless access control solution. Its combination of user-friendly design, robust security features, and durable build make it a compelling option in its category.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.